How to turn off AirPods Pro 3 charge notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting notifications from your AirPods Pro 3 that they need to be charged or that they're fully charged. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up your AirPods Pro 3 case, hold it near your iPhone. You can also just put the AirPods Pro 3 in your ear, but we're just trying to get it to connect to our phone. Once they've connected, open up the settings on your iPhone, and then just scroll down a little bit, and right above airplane mode, you should see your AirPods Pro 3 show up. Select AirPods Pro 3. Now that we're in the settings for our AirPods Pro 3, scroll down and we just want to select battery. So it should be near the bottom, right below head gestures, select battery. Then once battery opens up, find charging notifications and toggle that off. As you can see, this sends you a notification when your AirPods have a low battery and when they're fully charged, which for me was a little bit annoying. So now you can close the settings and you have now disabled charge notifications on your AirPods Pro 3. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.